Hi, my name is Brandon Smith, Safety and Compliance Manager at Elite Safety Services. At Elite Safety, we provide safety and compliance support for construction and hauling companies. Today, I'll walk you through the hours of service requirements for CDL drivers focusing on dump trucks and trash hauling within 150 miles of their shop. The purpose of this training is to explain the FMCSA hours of service rules and how they apply to us. These rules are designed to prevent driver fatigue, reduce accidents, and keep your company compliant with federal law. Knowing and following them protects you, your CDL, and everyone else on the road. Some drivers qualify for the FMCSA short haul exemption. This means if you operate within 150 air miles, that's about 172 regular road miles of your shop, you return to the same location within 14 hours and take 10 consecutive hours off before your next shift, then you don't need to keep a logbook. Instead, you keep time records. But if you go outside those limits, the full hours of service rules apply. From the graphic shown, a driver operating out of Cincinnati can drive anywhere within the circle as long as they return within 14 hours and have 10 consecutive hours off before the next shift. Remember, if you go outside the 150-mile radius or don't return within the 14 hours, then you must follow the standard hours of service rules. You may drive up to 11 hours after 10 consecutive hours off duty, but your total workday limit is 14 hours. After 8 hours of driving, you must take a 30-minute break. And on a weekly basis, you cannot exceed 60 hours in 7 days or 70 hours in 8 days, depending on your schedule. Compliance is about more than avoiding violations. Fatigue is one of the leading causes of crashes in trucking, and violations can result in large fines, company audits, and even having a truck placed out of service. More importantly, your CDL and your career could be at risk, so make sure you're staying compliant because that protects you and your company. I hope this training has been helpful in explaining the hours of service rules for CDL drivers. Remember, stay within the 150-mile exemption whenever possible, and if you exceeded, make sure you're following the full hours of service rules. Compliance protects you, your family, and everyone on the road. If you'd like Elite Safety Services to assist you or your company with safety and compliance, be sure to reach out to us anytime. Thank you for watching.